big up somebody in Jamaica.
Big up Desmond like him, but and my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law in St. Catherine, Kingston,
Yeah. He's a big guy.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Ah! Big up yourself. Well, man, you have too much to drink. What's up, man? you want to get up? You good? Yeah, you have to get up, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Look up on this screen right here, so we're from the grown up.
Look over there, way down, huh?
Huh?
They're lower, man.
They're low. Compared to where we are. Massive. Yes, massive, big up every time, no man. Look good, no man. You know, see me I roll with that G. Look good, no man.
Hackensack.
Jaja, no. Hear me, no man. Listen me, no man. Massive, blessed love to everybody who's tuned in right now for watch that video. Yeah. It's a blessed day. It's actually in the morning. And we're up on the road. And we're going to see the real Manhattan today. We're going to see the real Manhattan today. So, me there I rode with my General Lester. You understand? Lester is one of the supporters them for the channel. One of the foundation subscriber and things. So the man say, yo, walk by you over here. And my sister you go Manhattan, but you not catch Manhattan the real way. We are going to do something in a Manhattan. We are going to the trade center. We are going to go there, so. We are talking about Staty and Liberty. We are going to go someplace, you understand? We are going to make you walk Fifth Avenue. That's all right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we are going to see some place over there where you don't see it. Because you are night time you go. And you want the experience a real big for it. So watch you now, we link up with the G come out in a bad machine. Look good now, man. In a bad machine. As me see it, me love it. So yeah, big up your machine, sweet. You understand? Look good now, man. Yeah. So with the foreign and I want to enjoy the place. And me keep on saying Manhattan to me feel like the real foreign. You understand? Which are the high-rise buildings them there and thing. So without further ado, big up Lester. You understand? Him don't really talk much, but him talk when him fit talk. You understand? So we are going to do it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we're there in one place. Where them call over
This
here?
is Hackensack.
Hackensack. So, New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Alright. So then can't tell me nothing. Me there New Jersey. So me know New York and me know Philly. And we reach New Jersey. You see me I say? So massive. We're gonna just stay tuned, and it's gonna be a long day. Remember, it's gonna be a long video. Get your drinks, get your coffee, whatever you use to watch Jamaica walk by video. I make we stroll through, go straight to Manhattan, and just to do a bunch of things. Zin, where you say ready?
Yeah, man.
Figure that. Alright, before we go, one of the greatest thing about this is that we're not gonna drive this nice machine here. Go over there.
We'll take the bus.
I want to take the bus. You understand where we can see more things, see more happenings, and we can get a better feel of over here setup. You see me? Because when I'm driving, I can't get the real feel when time somebody driving because we are take all different kind of routes and stuff. So we are going to take the bus to make it even more interesting. See? Stay tuned, man. Let's do this. Yeah, so we actually there at the bus stop and you know we are waiting for the bus. Which bus we are taking over across?
163.
163.
Yeah.
163.
163.
163.
163.
So we are waiting for the 163 bus.
163.
We go across Manhatten. No, not Manhatten. Gallatin. I talked to a general a while ago. The man said the place named Gallatin. So let me ask you a question before we go across. Chinatown. Where Chinatown? Over there too?
Yeah, man. Chinatown down by. We can go down there if you want.
We can go Chinatown?
Yeah, man. We can go there. It's not too far from where we are going.
Alright. So massive, here we are going to do that video now. We're going to do this video in a way where it's not going to be a lot of cut, but when time we are left from scene to scene, we're going to cut, right? I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing the videos in different videos, but this one is mainly for Manhattan, you understand? So we want to do Times Square, we want to go, tell me some of the places where we can go today.
Well, we are go World Trade Center first.
Yes.
And we are going to leave from there, so we are going to go to the Statue of Liberty.
Yes.
right? And then from
Nice.
there, so we can go Chinatown.
So if we go over the Statue of Liberty, we actually have to go up on a boat, like a ferry. Or...
No, yeah, once we get over there, we're going to ferry.
Alright. So, massive, it's going to be a extremely nice video, different vibe. I'm just see the look, you see?
Nice
shine
day,
and thing and no
perfect,
rain or nothing. So, I hope it stay like that over Manhattan. So, for the real experience, we actually have to take the bus. And at the bus stop with it. You understand? We might not see the bus stop sign still. But we stand up right also at the fire hydrant. Look good now, man. So we're chilling. So over here is actually New Jersey. I love it over here. You can see it's a different environment from over in New York where I was staying. And this is one of my dieted subscribers, them Lester. You understand? So when you hear me big up Lester and this guy, you understand? And I'm not afraid to link up with my people them when I forward in the place, you understand? I've been telling you over here so feel so much safer than yard, but we're gonna change that, right? So big up to all of my yard people them. You don't know. It's beautiful. I love it over here. Let me see which part of this so they can have an idea where see that's where
Oasis.
I understand. No joke. So best of luck, stay tuned. I will just wait for the bus to jump on it.
The ticket the way ticket there. How would this a drive? How would this a drive? Oh, I'm my friend there. Yeah, just give her that. See, I'm a co-worker there, I know all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, co-worker.
Remember, so we're recording now, so
yeah, man.
anything I say will be used against Good morning.
Hi, you're good, thank you.
All right.
How are you? Good morning to you. Hello, how are you?
What's up?
What's going on? New York? Okay, 450. This guy should have told you. Listen, Adrian is sick.
Yeah? What's wrong with it?
Evelyn's husband?
Yeah? Huh?
Yeah, so massive, I pretty much this. It's your style we are drive go by in a man on the right and now, you know. See, generally.
Yeah,
you
man.
understand? So, when we realize that I co-work at them because this is one of the bus company that he works for.
Used to. Retire.
Retire.
Yeah, man, retire from here.
Oh, so retire.
Yeah, man, retire. Now me I drive in New York.
Yeah, so if I drive bus now in New York, so and then pretty much I drive, you understand?
Yeah.
Nice and clean. But I'm not see them pretty one out on my side. Oh, they're sweet, it look like the express bus.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Yeah. So well cozy, the seat them nice and crispy and well smooth and thing. Bus all the talk and all them thing. Don't good now, man. Yeah, the bus are going like one plane.
Yeah, man.
You get that nice room, leg room space and thing. Yeah. So a bus driver,
Yeah, man.
driver. You understand? Don't play with it. So we take on the bus and now we are going over Manhatten, kind of near Manhatten again. See for the whole of the video, we are going over Manhatten. You understand? So massive is just a vibe. Me enjoy myself. Yo, the place sweet. Yo, you pick up on them bus in Jamaica and you have to go pay for nothing for the express, you know. You have to go pay your money good enough. You understand?
See the lady not even charge you.
Yeah, the lady not even charge me.
Yeah.
Because he look on him and say, oh, they know, oh, he's a retired veteran, you know. So you guys can come up, so big up to that beautiful lady there. Very nice. I love how she talk.
Yeah, man, she
talk
nice.
you
Yeah,
know?
man, she nice, she nice.
Yeah, very nice lady. So big up yourself. And we're outside in a pretty bus. Look good now, man. Oh, you know what I mean? We're outside in the bus plane. You see me? Yeah.
Bus
New
plane.
Jersey, look good now, man. Yeah, New Jersey.
Bus
Oh,
plane.
nice, my brother.
Yeah?
Clean too.
Yeah, clean,
I
man.
realize how man so
Yeah.
clean. Yeah. So massive next time I'm out, I'm gonna try to see if I can come kick it over New Jersey. I hope me have a room can put me up. So we just kick it with the general. You understand? Big up man, so let's stay tuned and watch what going on, man. It's nice. Yeah, massive. So, you know, we still up on the bus, we still have go through if we go over Gala. So, which part would I know?
We are kin. We are kin.
We are king.
We are kin.
We are king. So,
See New York over there, you see New York over there? Over there, so we are go. If we can. can't really see that good, but over this one. So we're going the Lincoln Tunnel now. When we not come, we go George Washington Bridge. So we drive over the water. Now we are going to go underneath the water. And once we get underneath, we're going to be in New York again. Yeah.
So we legit drive underneath.
We don't get there yet. We are going to go in about 30 seconds. Yeah, man.
Man.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not sure how much of it we can catch or we can show what it looks like.
It's about I think it's about a mile and a half long or so, or a mile or something like that.
That's supposed to be so cool though.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to put the camera so you can see if I'm trying to,
how it looks. It's starting. Yeah. Yeah, man, I Lincoln Tunnel, yeah.
So this is just like one lane.
No, it's 2 lanes. There's another one over there. You should hang up the front and do it. Come over here. Make move here. Something come out of my pocket.
Alright, so once I'm actually underneath the tunnel, I'm going to try to see. So we know if we can walk.
Yeah, man, walk up.
Let me see if we can walk.
Just hold on in a car. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, you can't step here. You gotta go back.
Alright, so I just want to catch.
No. I gotta wait till I stop the bus.
Oh, there's a sea here. Oh, there's a sea. Alright, boom. Thank you.
Whatever it is.
Alright, that's my car. So I just wanted to catch a bit of this.
Relax. Yeah. So now, please let me tell you, listen. Just open the door. You're gonna go out. Yes, definitely.
Listen, this is beautiful. We don't have buildings like this in Jamaica.
And it was safe. Fair control straight back.
So we're there.
Enjoy your day.
I love you so much. Thank you. All right. Cool. Yeah. That bus driver is so cool. I love the way she talks and stuff. Yeah, I'm just waiting on Lester to come off the bus. Oh my God. Yeah. You're like the
Is
coolest.
that your father? What was you doing?
Listen.
Yes, so you gotta take me. That's your dad, right? Or your grandfather?
He's a very good supporter of Jamaica Waba. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, what you wanna say?
Listen.
Man, what up? Yo, what's up, Des, man?
Yeah.
Yo, my husband's in Jamaica. Get him back over here. So,
Massive.
Okay.
From the moment I stepped on the bus,
Uh-oh.
I was like, Lester, I like this lady here. She's so cool. So she definitely is cool. Yeah. You're getting some money. Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry about that. Be blessed, son.
Everybody likes you.
So where I'm gonna be?
So right now you're on my YouTube channel called Jamaica Walk By. So I'll be touring with Lester here.
Come on.
Manhatten. Yeah.
This is my boy right here. What up? Bow, 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 bow.
But listen, you see me say something, follow my spirit. I like this lady.
Hey, and check me out, Luana Liking at New York, New Jersey. WKOMIB, New York, New Jersey. New Jersey Transit, this how we do. Bow, 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 bow.
Do you have an Instagram?
No, I'm not on.
Oh my God.
Oh, God bless your heart.
Thank you for the drive. You drive so good. And it's just a vibe, alright?
Yes, yeah. How do I find it now?
On Jamaica Walk By, YouTube.
Oh, I gotta find it.
I don't have any more cards, so that's the reason why you don't
Jamaica
get one.
Walk By?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to pick up somebody in Jamaica?
Big up Desmond Liking, but up, bow, 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 bow. And my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law in St. Catherine, Kingston, bow, 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 bow.
Yeah. Bad thing. What's love? Yeah, trust me, you're so great.
Okay, be blessed.
So here, Massive, we're going and we're just gonna enjoy the day. No joke.
I remember Jamaica.
Yeah, so we're actually at the bus terminal and it is just awesome. It's nice.
Yeah, man.
Two lady drive that bus over there. Another one, a Lester friend.
Yeah, man.
Like Lester.
What's up? I'm day off. Yeah. Alright. You take care, eh? Yeah, alright. I know all of them, man. There's another one up here.
Yeah,
How would
so
it?
cool, man.
You know, there's a Chinese man who drive a bus too, you know. And Chinese Jamaican. Let me see if I am there. Let me see if I am there.
Yeah. So Massive. So let's say it's like we're under a building or,
No.
or where we at? Look.
This is Port Authority, man.
Oh,
Yeah. This is Port Authority.
this looks like you make directly
Yeah.
for the bus.
Yeah. You remember the Time building where you used to see it right there, so? Times Square building?
That was the building there.
Yeah, man. If you go there, you see sign there.
Yeah, New York Times.
New York Times. See there?
Oh man.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, we were downstairs.
Yeah. Then me not know where, you know.
Look at this Massive. Look good now, man. Look
Yeah.
there, man. So
So-
the bus actually there upstairs, bro.
Yeah, this is second floor.
The second floor.
There's another floor where you come on to.
Which place is that over there?
That's some restaurant, you know? Outdoor restaurant.
Massive, look my man at the yo.
Yeah.
This is the view where we are top about.
Yeah.
Yo, look here, man. Yo, let me see over there. I'll go over there, sir. Yeah, Massive. So, this is beautiful. Yeah, extreme. See that? So we did that downstairs X. Look. New York Times. Massive building. Alright, this is gonna be so good. Yeah.
You know, see nothing
New York. Yeah, no joke. So yes, Massive, we actually I walk with Lester and tell us
Yeah, we not
this
take
is
this
so interesting. We now go on this
No,
down.
man, we go.
Alright, so we're actually underneath the tunnel and we're in the tunnel on the second floor.
We're in the Port Authority.
The Court Authority.
Yeah, this is where all the bus them coming.
So this is the Court Authority where all the bus them
Yeah.
stop and let off and beat things.
And this is the top floor, you know?
This is the top floor.
Yeah.
So down here we're going.
Yeah, this.
Yeah. Nice. So this is the first floor.
Yeah, this is actually the second floor.
Oh.
Yeah, man, this is second floor here, sir. Let me see how that.
Nice. Oh, so we're going down this one.
Yeah, going down another floor here, sir.
Yeah, Massive, this is going to be a very interesting journey. And can't wait to see the rest of it. Nice. Woo!
See the other floor here, sir. Let's go down the escalator, yeah.
Alright. The escalator.
And then there's another floor under here where the bus then come into, like Greyhound and stuff like that. From out the state, you know?
Yeah. Greyhound. My mother always tell me about that bus, the Greyhound.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Beautiful. Oh, listen, we can't carry the bag. Let me strap up the bag for me. Yeah. Let me there. A bird here, you know? Well, let's look like a your place, man.
They come here for what?
Yeah.
30, almost 40 years, man. Come here.
Whoa. So nice.
So where go? What we gonna do?
See? Catch the gate.
We're gonna jump in our subway. Right?
Yeah, man, so where we go first?
We're gonna go to World Trade Center.
World Trade Center first. Alright.
And then from there we're gonna go to
Yeah, me see everybody gonna just walk down the escalator same way.
Yeah, man. Escalator have a rule, you know. When you stay on one side, and if you want somebody want to walk, you do one side, you don't walk.
Oh, yeah. Nice. So way. You can go, man. Yeah. Guy can go in for work. Yeah. Nice.
You said we can't get you in here. You know. No, we
Go
can't
through
use
this?
this one time. Let me get your car.
Alright.
Let me get your car.
Let me see. Let me check if. Yeah, so we're currently waiting on the subway train. Mr. Gunn tap up the card, see? So, as you can see, that direction is where we're going to go through.
Figure it out. Okay, all right, thank you.
Somehow I don't have the Metro card because that's the one we're not going to use when we're next year. We're supposed to get one, but we're not getting it yet. So let's just say it's going to just stay with this one. See? So, as you can see, so like the train road above you right here and stuff like that. The infrastructures are just breathtaking. Trust me, breathtaking. Yeah, man, no joke. It's a different vibe over here. I guarantee you that, man. It's crazy. Yeah. This is a big guy. Very big police officer. I'm from Jamaica. I'm a YouTuber. You guys don't afraid of camera? Massive. We don't have big police officer like this one. Okay, he's a big guy.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Ah! Big up yourself. You know the chap. Yeah, man. Bless up. All right. Cool. So, yeah, that's a big police. So, actually here, chilling and everything. Oh, it's Leicester, yeah. So, yeah. Right. And Leicester, this is so cool, man.
Yeah?
So, with a big police and he's big, massive guy.
Yeah.
Right,
Just
so,
slide it in it.
yeah, we start.
Yeah,
Metro
do that
card.
one.
All right, let me do this one. Which way you turn it?
Like this. I think it's
Like this?
Yeah.
So, how do you know when it works?
Okay.
Oh, that's
just
it.
push it.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. All right, that's it.
All right, keep that card there because you
Yeah,
have a few
definitely.
more. Let's come this way.
All right, so the tour guide today now, General Leicester, you know. You understand? Leicester, tell the people them which way you forward from Jamaica.
Clarendon, man. Blackwood.
You hear that? Say that again if you all over here.
Clarendon. Go Mocko to Thompson Town, down to Blackwood.
Yeah. So,
Each train.
which train you take?
Can't take anyone, but we are waiting The A train. We jump on the A train.
train. You know, it's not about me. I'm going to show you what I want to roll with. So, something new. You see me? Look what I want, man. Well, man, you have too much to drink. What's up, man? you want to get up? You good? Yeah, you have to get up, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I have some person in Jamaica now, like, whatever he's drinking, I want some of it. Yeah. No, I'm good. It seems like he had all of it. Yeah. Like, see guys just tumbling down like whoop whoop.
That tells me not gonna fall on the track, man.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see what the tracks look like, right? I know that you're not supposed to pass this part here, but yeah.
You see that part over there, sir?
Yeah.
You see that iron touch that it killed you dead. That's the way the electric come from.
The power.
Right, yeah, right there, sir. I always tell you about the third track. No one will touch that third track. No, that's on the other side. Oh, is that going to come up?
I always see it in the movies where, you know, persons go and show persons on the track.
Yeah.
And be like, so that's the line where keep the train running.
If you touch that, you're dead. If you go down and touch that right now.
Dead. We're not going to touch it.
I got
Yeah. So, we're in the train station.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so which one of them we're going to wait? We're going to wait over here?
Jump on the A train.
A train.
That coming, wait a minute, 1 minute? 1 minute.
Where did you see where the time?
Right there, sir.
Oh, the A train.
Yeah.
Oh, 0 minutes. So it's reached.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is it.
Yeah.
Oh, so once we paid, we cross
man,
the thing.
you're good, yeah.
You're good to go in.
Can't go all day long.
Oh.
As long as you know, come out, you know? As long as you know, come out, you can go from train to train.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go ahead.
Watch this now.
Yeah, so this is actually a different train.
Yeah, man.
This even looks different from the one that we did take.
I think this one is longer.
This one long.
Yeah, this one is like, I think you take the 2, right?
Yeah, the 2.
Yeah. 2, you would have to go 1 block over.
Oh, all right. So we just here experiencing the thing. You know, we are going to kick it stand-up style like a JUTC. You understand? Because the train kind of look a bit pack up.
Yeah.
You understand? So we just are going to kick it stand-up. You see me? So we're off the World Trade Center, right?
Yeah, after.
That is it, man. So how often you normally take the train?
Often, you know, like when we are work, like sometime when we do relief, like somebody come and take the bus on the room, and then you have to take a train back to the garage.
Oh.
So, like if we finish downtown and somebody take the bus, we just jump on the train and come back up.
So you're fully,
so I take the train almost, depends on what I'm doing, but at least 3-4 times a week. Sometimes more, you know?
Yeah. That is cool, man. Yeah. So you fully know about the whole train system and everything. Yeah. Massive, look at the train. Yeah. To me, it is just like how you imagine it in the movies. Same way, the sound of it, the look of it, everything is completely the same. Only thing that you probably don't realize or experience is the rocking. Like this thing is rocking and stuff like you're on a JUTC bus. But yeah, the bus we were driving a while ago even more smooth than the train.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Look there.
Oh yeah.
Train a flick left, right and center. Watch it. Yeah. But the bus we were driving a while ago, that was a really good drive. The lady, she named Miss Liking.
I saw she said she named.
Yeah.
She's cool, man.
Miss Liking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like her. She's a very nice lady. So, yeah, we're going. It's just gonna be a nice day. So make sure you stay tuned. So listen, if you're not yet subscribed, please may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. Like, what you're waiting on? Remember, a subscription is free, alright? So, let's go. So, about how many stop before we get there?
I say about four more stops or something.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We're on 14th Street now.
Alright. Oh, coming on this way. We can take a seat.
Yeah. Let me stand.
A rude boy and I say we stand up. Yeah. Yeah, so just came off the train. Now we're head up. Look at this guy. Yeah.
That sound of fun.
So weird.
We're trying to go outside now.
Yeah. Yo, my foot them tired. Step out wicked, man. Cha-cha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we just go through.
More, let's go this way.
Alright. Back in at the cool.
Yeah. You come up, cool one.
Brother, there's cool B.
Yeah, I say.
When I used to this with them, man. Cha-cha. Look good now, man.
See building. Yeah.
Woo.
That's where I go to.
We're going up there.
Yeah.
Up there, sir. Yeah, so massive now if you get in a coffee, get in a tea, get in a juice. We start, you know. You hear that? Galatin. Where's the Leicester with your Galatin?
Yeah.
No joke.
It's way downtown. Man.
Talk again more, make sure your mic up.
Downtown.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're there, downtown Galatin.
So if we go another stop or so, we're in a Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Across the river, we're in a Brooklyn.
Woo. Yeah, man, the temperature sweet.
Yeah, yeah, man, midnight.
No.
In mid-sweater, just in case we get.
Yeah, but you walk with it.
Yeah, walk with this. Because that shorts we have on. But
Watch your man come up, man, the shots.
nice, man, nice weather.
So massive, so this is a different part of Manhattan. In the day, enough persons don't get to see. Massive. Yeah. Leicester. Yeah, massive. We are walking a gala. Nice. Woo. The temperature is beautiful. Temperature is beautiful. Look at that, man. Woo. Millennium Hotel. Hey, Leicester. Like, you really get a different vibe in the day because you actually can see.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, actually can see. You know, I'm not going to try none of them things. I'm going to try. Hey, what am I going on? I'm doing meow meow. He do meow meow, man. Yeah, he do meow meow.
They're nasty.
Hold on there 1 second. Give them a look here, sir. Woo. So this is what? The Millennium Hotel, right? It's a massive hotel. Massive, you have to bend back the camera, man. You see it tapping. Hold on. That's showing the real foreign. It's another building over there. I'm not sure which one this center camera. You know which building that, Leicester? Yeah. Go around, let me check your mic. No, this one.
In my pocket.
Yeah.
In my pocket. They're right here.
You say on.
You on?
Yeah. Good. Trust me. Yeah. Alright. Let me watch that one, let me turn it up. I'll make sure so we are hear you loud and clear, you know?
You on?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right.
Which direction we going?
So I go over here, sir. It's a memorial.
Yeah.
Where is that memorial?
Nice. So massive, instead of I put up the sign, I'm going to try to catch a sign on the floor, you know? Yeah. Read this.
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is a road, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. 55 bus.
Jeez.
Yeah, one building under here, so man, I get lost when I go on that day. Yeah, I gotta find my way out. Yeah, nice. Real nice.
So this is where we at right now?
This by the
The memorial
9/11.
site?
Yeah. See, build, you know. Yeah, man. We are go right down here, so.
Oh, good now, man. Beautiful. Woo. I love the temperature, just cool.
Yeah?
And
Yeah.
oh, I think I just show my lungs kinda
Yeah?
not used to the light here.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
This, so sometimes make you feel like me I'll run out of breath, but me I get used to it. Yeah. So what is inside there? That building over there? World Trade Center. Like I'm not sure.
I think that's just different stuff, you know.
I like the decoration and what they do it.
But down here, so over here, so we want to show it. You know? Down this are nice.
Oh,
down,
man.
Yeah.
I never realized that this is like a shopping mall or something.
Yes, it looks like, yeah. We will go down there later. When we finish up here, we'll pass.
Wow.
Zij zit even op een ander niveau. Maar ja, dat is op zich ook niet erg. Hè? Kijk, zij doen voornamelijk een uitvoering.
I hope your line are too long to go up there.
Like line.
Probably a line, yeah. I know, holiday.
New York, boy. If you go foreigner, you go New York. Bro. You don't feel like you go foreign. Wow. Leicester. Real foreign.
Huh?
Real foreign, man. Massive, if you're not subscribed yet, please, I beg you subscribe to the channel. Please, I beg you drop a like on the video. Come, in the premiere, we need to see 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes we need to see right now. Look good now, man. Look forward there. You lot some place you never see it. You understand? Look good now, man. Start like up a video. Remember if you like a video free, you know. If you subscribe to the channel free, you know. Subscribe now, man, and hit the notification bell so you can actually get notified when we drop a video. Subscription free. And what we have over here,
You see all the people we die in the fire. All I name them.
Oh. Super beautiful. Pretty Leicester. I've never even seen this on the internet.
No?
No. I have no idea of this. But I'm happy. May I see it for the first time in person.
Yeah.
Like legit in person. So many persons here recording and
Look at all of these people there. Who will papi? Go right around.
right around.
Oh, you want?
Take a picture. This picture is going to cost you to subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah. You're Jamaican? Oh, CM Caribbean, yeah. That is it. Make sure, ready for your picture?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, take it first, man.
Enough me taking of it just in case, you know. Whatever you know, like you can't just delete.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, so the channel is Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, that's all it will cost you. A free subscription to the channel.
Yeah.
Jamaica Walk By. So we showcase the natural living in Jamaica. So we just take it to the world and now. And I show foreign. You understand? Yeah, first time traveling, I live over here.
No, we work on the cruise ship.
Oh, you work on the cruise ship?
Oh, yeah?
Fast through. Oh.
Yeah, so just so I can get the train and...
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, see that? Subscribe. That is it. Big up and respect. Here, my bro. Respect. Forward. Yeah, man. That's how we do it.
We're going to hit this building and then we come back and do Ivory. But we want to take care of this first.
Yeah, man. No problem.
Because I don't know how long we have to wait, you know. Because you know, what's two buildings here? I don't know if
Yeah, 2 buildings.
I think it's two of these two now. I think there's one more over there.
So this is where one of the buildings was.
I think so. So then put this here, yeah.
And then just call here the Memorial Park.
Yeah, the Memorial Park.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. I think these are one. I think this is the only one. Yeah, I think this is the only one.
It is massive doing it, man.
This is big, man. It's bigger than huge.
Massive, man. There's some Chinese writing on that building there, you see? Also.
Where?
Nice.
Douglas Stone. So right, it's them cruise ship guy, they live good life too, you know?
Yeah, man, because they get to experience a lot of things.
Yeah. Long as you're not married, you know?
Ah, like that too.
Long as you're not married, you are.
Yeah.
A single man.
They have fun.
Yeah.
Worse than dark skin. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you get to go everywhere, you know?
Everywhere.
I always pass here, but I never really stop.
Look at this right here. Wow, look at this. Jackson Mall.
Wait up,
So
coming.
massive. Yeah, man. So massive, remember how me do the channel and I know. Do it like say, you're here with.
City view. How this work? Let me see how this works.
You have any questions, sir?
Yeah. I see all exclusive. What's the...
So all inclusive is $20 more than the standard.
Yeah.
It comes with an audio tour. It's like an iPad. It explains what you're looking at while you're upstairs.
Yeah.
It also has a $15 credit. That $15 you can use upstairs for drinks or at the gift shop, just not for food.
Okay. Okay.
But view-wise, all the tickets are the same, no matter what ticket you purchase.
You want to get the exclusive?
I'm not sure. I just want.
And you say you get a hat and you explain everything.
Yeah, it's like an iPad. You take it upstairs with you, and it'll tell you about what you're looking at.
Oh.
Otherwise, you just look up at your own. By some of the windows, they have like a QR code you can like scan with your phone. It'll
Okay,
tell you
we just
something
don't get
about
the
that
regular,
direction,
right?
Yeah, we can.
But not as much as the audio tour.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to get the regular, right? Is it standard?
Yeah, standard is the normal ticket.
Okay.
You can buy it over here at the machine.
Okay.
If you need to pay by cash, you have to go downstairs to get services.
Okay, all right.
Alright, respect and thanks,
Yep.
alright?
Oh, we got to wait online.
You know if you use this.
No, sir.
Are you ready to go up now?
Excuse me, you wanna
So you have to move the globe around, tap where you're visiting from first. So where are you visiting from?
Jersey.
Jersey, New York, New Jersey. And you're buying tickets, right?
Yeah.
How many do you need?
2.
Just 2? Now, what type of ticket did you want to do? You said the standard?
Yeah.
Okay. The time is not very important. Whenever you're ready, just come right in. And either tap or insert, okay?
So the total for the ticket is 100.
102.
$102.
Yeah.
Cuando subes cuando tú quieres, ¿ok? Okay.
Shoot.
Remove the card, so you're all set.
Okay.
And you have to sign. Yeah, sign with your fingers. Bajamos a la derecha. That's on your receipt. Either press print or put your email in. You pick.
Okay,
Remove the
finish.
glove,
Where's
tap on
print?
the map where you're from.
Print.
You know, my glass are hard for me see. Can you read reading
There you go.
glass?
Those are your tickets. That's your receipts, and you're all set.
Okay.
So if you want to go in now, head down the escalator, and you get to the
Why
bottom.
is
you're
it-
gonna
why
go
is
to
it
the
3?
right. So these are the tickets. This is the receipt.
Receipt.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, yeah, thank
You're all set.
Okay.
Down one level, at the bottom make a right.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so
Yes.
$102 for the both of us.
It's 40, I guess 45 plus tax each,
man. It's expensive.
yeah. Yeah, man.
So massive. Leicester actually accommodated this trip.
There's
Pay
no
for the
promise
ticket
here
and
already.
thing. So, oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are big up Leicester. Leicester, make sure say we are get a really good video. Yeah, so no joke. This is the ticket. This is what it looks like. And we go. So we have to give this to somebody.
We have to go show them, I guess. Yeah.
I'm gonna walk it down. She said I style this now. Walk it down the escalator. Ah, man.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You see these elevators? Ooh, these elevators like bullet.
They said fast. Yeah. So massive we're just carrying on the tour with me to enjoy this. Yeah, no joke.
This.
Yep. Alright, you're all set. Bless up. Shoot, oh we have to,
Yeah, man.
unload all of my stuff.
Yeah, like you got on the plane.
Shoot. I have a lot of stuff. What if we can put the entire
Yeah,
bag in there?
just get one of these and put this stuff in.
Yeah.
No, you're not fit. Yeah, just put your stuff in
Can
there.
I'm gonna have to stop recording, right? Oh yeah. Man.
What, you live streaming?
Huh? Yeah, not live, but I'm gonna have to stop it.
Okay.
Alright, so let's just do it. Yeah, no. So we actually had to go through a security point where, you know, you see all this nice, pretty screen here. You understand? It's massive. It's beautiful. Like look at that. See the World Trade Center there.
Welcome to
You
the.
can't just go in there like that. It's like the plane. You have to make sure you're well secure, well safe, and everything has to be stripped right down. So keys, everything like you're going through the airport, you have to take off everything down to your belt. You have to lose your belt
Yeah.
to come inside here. So it is massive, it's beautiful. Take a look. Yeah. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Plastic.
It looks like stone, but a plastic, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Nice,
They
nice.
do a lot of brilliant setup to this. They have writing on the walls. It's beautiful. It looks like real stone, it's not. The lights and thing. Wonderful. So yes, it's kind of dark under here and things dark, but you know, looking at some of the things in here. Yeah. Oh, so this just leads to the elevator.
Elevator.
Alright. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, we can go into? Oh,
Yep, good. Look this way there.
alright. So she said that it's a presentation show.
Yeah.
On our way up. Ooh. Ooh. Super cool. Wow.
So many different years. Wow, you see?
Yeah, it's
Crazy.
changing as the
That's
years go
crazy.
by. Look at that. Elevator is flying.
Yeah.
Wow.
So if I you there,
Welcome to One World Observatory.
12.
So cool.
You
How
see
about that? That was great. Yeah.
That was quick. Come this way.
How quick it was?
Yeah.
How quick was it? 47 seconds? I guess we drank, right?
47 seconds to go so much force.
102.
The elevator was flying.
That means you're doing, man,
Wow.
like, what's that? 1 second every 2 floors?
Yeah.
Or 2.5 floors? Whoa.
Was flying. And then the presentation show that they are like showing you like from its start to where it is right now.
Mm-hmm.
Man, cool. Yeah.
You know, see nothing yet, master.
Heard that?
This is. That's what I tell you, I wanted you to bring your wife, man. Woo, she would have loved it. And your baby, you know?
Yeah. So nice.
Kind of cool up here.
Yeah. So massive, it's a little bit dark, but
Okay, everyone, welcome. We do have a little bit more space than usual, so feel free to spread out if you like. It'll be a great presentation. You can take pictures or videos. There's no flash, please. Enjoy.
all right.
Dynamic, diverse, and ever-changing, the city and skyline reveal themselves uniquely to each observer. Experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever.
Hey, it's more cooler when you back off from it. He said the same thing. Beautiful. The biggest television I've ever seen in my life. The protractor nice. Oh my God. Holy crap. Wow.
And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right,
Wow.
where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
Wow. Oh.
Thank you.
Wow.
I thought that was going to be it.
Oh, I guess we Lester, what do you think about that show a while ago? That presentation?
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, it was crazy. Oh, man. It was beautiful.
You see highways,
Whoa.
man?
Jeez.
We're up there, boy. We're up there. We're up there.
Oh, word.
We're up there.
How many people here?
Two.
Two, yeah.
Go to number 2, excellent.
Maybe part of
Greetings.
That's right over there.
Oh, we're gonna get a picture? Yeah, come.
Look at the guy in the wine. Look right here.
Yeah.
Big smile.
Yeah.
Give me a little wave, guys.
Wait.
Hello. Our president.
Other man can give it too.
Yeah, but so you can see this one gets on the one farm. A little closer.
Alright.
Okay.
There you go. And then wave.
Yeah.
You know
Gonna
if
see
you
this on
want,
our phone. What is the
if you want to know,
open your phone camera, scan the QR
We do
code
that
below,
link.
view, buy, and share online. Alright. It looks like.
yo,
Wow. Jeez.
you stop your everybody out there, sir.
Huh?
You start there?
Yes, that's your liberty. Yo, you see, make you look at them boat there now. Move.
Ah, you know?
Look at this one. Bro, we helicopter height, you know, bro. Look at
You
that.
look at
This is absolutely
crazy.
It's crazy. I wonder where is that? There's just one bridge that's one way in over there.
Where?
That kind of island right there.
Oh, that's, I don't know.
And see the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, right there, sir,
right
yeah.
there. This place makes the Statue of Liberty look like it's nothing.
That thing is big, you know?
It's big, ain't it?
Yeah. Because the thing we're holding up there,
Yeah.
you can't go up there and walk around.
Oh my gosh. There.
Let's go around, let's go.
Oh my. Awesome. Oh, they have food up here, everything.
Yeah?
Yo. This is massive. It's beautiful.
I think we are going to go downstairs. You can see it better downstairs.
Yeah.
When we go, like, we're going down there, so
Oh
we
yeah,
see
because we
better.
can go against the
Yeah,
glass.
yeah, let's go down there.
Hey, good. Pick up yourself.
Good.
Oh, they make you walk through the food part first. Turn up your nose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get some good view here, bro.
Yeah, man. No joke. Damn. Wow. Jano.
Yo, you can't imagine when you plane them, you run into the building and the people are stuck up here.
Stuck up here, so.
And people are jumping. And you know, a lot of people just jump.
Yeah, me here. And there was a guy who jumped and survived. You know? Fell into a car or something like that.
Yeah, because the fire not get to them.
Smoke and thing get to them.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Look at that, man.
Some tall building there was, you know, look how
I don't
them
even
left way down there.
I don't even fly the drone this high much.
No, man, you know, this side. Maybe. No. Maybe.
Ooh. Yo. Wow. Massive, look there, man. You know one get stuck up here when playing a lick up in this. Woo. Yo, copters are flying lower than the building. Look at that. Yeah, man, see that? One heap of piece of island like inside of there, yeah? See? I see a whole lot of them. Like just out there. I wonder which island, that one. Right, center camera right there. Wow. Look like it's the only ferry over there. There's no bridge. Probably just a ferry.
Which one there, so.
And that's the Statue of Liberty over there.
Yeah, I think
we legit have to take the ferry. There's no bridge to that one. There's one island there that looks like there's a bridge to it. I can travel to that one.
So if we can get the thing there, then I'll tell we everything.
Yeah, they probably would tell you everything. But that's expensive.
Yeah, but when I get $15, it is worth getting it, you know, because we get $15 voucher.
Oh, probably can buy some.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it don't work out the same, yeah. Yes, I think they said just drinks.
Just drink.
We're gonna buy $15 worth of drink.
Look massive. Carry them, look at them, leave my move. It's a serious view.
You remember the tall building where you say tall and nice?
Yeah, see that?
Way down there, so.
The tall building, I say tall and beautiful and things. That short right open.
And when you look, it look like it's just as tall as this one.
Yeah. Crazy, man. Look at this. Wow. Many persons never seen a view like this. Look at this. I can't make this up.
Remember I was showing you? It's two of the, see the other one there? There's one there and there's one here.
Oh, it's two of them for
Yeah,
real?
see the other one over there.
That's where
This is the
exactly-
one we went to this one.
That's where the two buildings
I
were.
guess so, yeah.
So one was
over
right there,
and the other one
and
here.
the other
so,
one
yeah.
was right here. This is the one that
We was at
which
this
was?
one. This one here, close to
one?
the building, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, for real. See that?
Yeah, man, I guess we was.
So that's where the two buildings were.
Yeah.
The Twin Tower. Yeah. All of them massive buildings, they look like them small.
Yeah. That's the I think that's the Brooklyn Bridge.
Brooklyn Bridge.
The next one is the what bridge is that?
Yo, the place big.
I think that's the Manhatten Bridge. And the other one over there says the Williamsboro Bridge.
Oh.
All of them go to Brooklyn.
They won't go over there.
So over there is our Brooklyn.
Real 360 view. Yeah. Real 360 view. Wow. Real 360 view. Only thing though, it don't make you feel like you're that high. They say that be like well scared. Like maybe if the glass wasn't there, I feel like whoa.
Glass no there, me now come here. So.
Imagine that was your apartment out there and that was your balcony. That's rich.
Yeah, that's.
Let's get a little section right there of yourself, you know. Like maybe if me own the building, that probably have that little part.
Up there, sir.
Yeah. And that little
Nice,
balcony.
you know.
Nice. Oh, sir. Can see up here, they have the gallery at One World. You have some clothes and stuff. Person can buy souvenir. You can buy lens to see a lot of souvenir and thing. You know. Really nice. Yeah. There's a lot of persons up here. Can get stuff to buy here. Chill and thing. You have key rings. See? Key rings. World Trade Center key ring. One World. You can get cameras so you can see. A lot of souvenirs. Yeah. Loads of souvenirs. One can use. Sweater. Caps. Thing. NYC shirts and stuff. Yeah. No joke. Loads of shirt, caps, a lot of stuff. Loads of stuff. Yeah, even the pens. Let's look, I can see something I like.
You see this shirt? All the train line, you know?
All the train line.
Yeah.
Does it go to the back too?
No.
Oh, not to the back.
Yeah, every train line there. Yeah.
Nice. I've never seen anything like
Yeah,
it.
I never seen this. That's nice.
Yeah. .360 view.
The building over there, come on.
Look at them construct one building there too.
Yeah. That's the, you see that building over there? That's the Empire State Building. I think that's the second tallest building next to this.
Which one? That one there?
In the middle right there.
Oh my word.
You see all the rest of them look taller than?
Well, different, brother, this is really a city, yo. Jeez. Yo, this is incredible.
The bridge where we was on this morning, way over there.
Way over
George
there.
Washington Bridge, yeah.
Oh, mighty. Woo. Yo, the building they make different thing, like
Oh yeah, yeah,
balcony,
yeah,
stair, levels and stuff. It looks scary.
yeah.
Look up on this screen right here, so we're from the ground up.
Look over there, way down, huh?
Huh?
They're lower, man.
Then lower. Compared to where we are. Massive. So
I didn't drop on anything.
mad high. Mad high. Woo! Massive, I'm telling you, it's incredible. Where we're standing right now, it is super incredible. Like, it's beautiful.
I wonder if we can go up any higher than here, sir.
I'm not even sure.
Ooh.
Oh,
Nice feel, huh? That,
That's like a hockey field. Football,
yeah,
hockey,
look like him a play.
baseball. Some of you don't play football.
Yeah, right on this field. Yeah, see them there.
Shano. Hey, you see that fish there? You see him?
Where?
One fish. See a fish there? That would be impossible, Lester.
I mean, I say I'm a shark. A shark, me I look.
Yeah, but this one good fish a while ago, man. Brother, all them big boat they don't
They
just
look like
small.
one little
Much
play
as you
boat.
see one fish. Oh God. I must have Superman here you have. Yo, Jano. Oh gosh.
That's
Like,
over
people really need, if I have one time in their life, to come and see this. Much as you have it on record, say, yo,
and
look
New
at
Jersey
this.
over there, so you know.
Oh, New Jersey. See that helicopter them have fly lower than the building.
Lower down.
Like massive. Maybe the camera not giving it the justice of how high this building is. But it is crazy. Even your real eyes have problem like, no. I want to thank you. That's like a stadium over there too, like right on the water. See it right center camera? See that?
Oh yeah,
That look
What
like
is
one
that?
football field or something.
Let's see which one is that. This is that. Yeah.
Yeah. Real downtown Manhattan massive. Hey, look on the Tesla there, the bright blue one. Pretty, you just stand out down there. The blue one, see it over
Which
that
one?
road? On blue Tesla. See, pull over there.
Oh, you know, you have good eyesight, man.
Oh, you got in the glass.
No, man, me can't see good.
Oh, you can
Me
see
have
good.
no problem see. It's close, me can't see. Me just don't see.
Oh. See there over there, up on the road there, drive over the one there. The blue Tesla. See, it's making a right turn over there.
I don't see.
All them bus there. Look. Small. You let's stop.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for real, you guys sharp, man. Because he say the man them a play ball for real.
Yeah, they're missing the market, yeah.
Yeah. They look like some ants. They look like some ants. Massive, you probably can't see them on the camera. They look like some ants down there. Chopping. Mad. So yeah. So there's a lot of persons here just exploring, taking pictures, you know, having a wonderful time, chilling. We'll probably go get some eat and thing, but it's an experience, it's an awesome experience. Like everyone should actually just try it if it's even once to just see what it looks like, you know. I don't see a lot of African American up here.
Yeah.
Mixed race, Spanish,
Yeah.
white people, Colombian.
But you know that crowded today, you know. 'cause it's
Usually crowded more than
more,
this.
yeah, because remember, say that's work, but you can, this time of the most people working now.
Yeah.
Come like the weekend or holiday, probably have room to walk. Eh? So now is actually a nice time to come.
Yeah. So,
You know?
so looking at it, I'm telling you, like, I think everybody should just try get a one time in their life to just see this.
Of course.
This is incredible.
Yeah, man, this is nice.
No joke. Just being here and looking
Nice.
on the scenery, I think. I don't think the drone give you a good vision, but I don't think the drone can give you
This.
this. You know, if you see like you on top of the drone, you know, but it's great, and we're just enjoying it and looking and just enjoying it. So we are open and like it. So everybody we are watching, remember we're not finished yet. We continue watching. We have crazy more
Just a
places to
start,
go.
man.
This is just a start.
Yeah.
So we keep on watching. If you are watch so far and you subscribe, we are weird, man. Subscription is free, totally free. Please, me ask you to subscribe. Look below the video and you see the word subscribe. Click it, touch it. It is completely free. If you are watching my television, you still can subscribe. You just need to sign in to YouTube with an email and you're good to go. You can just sign in and think. See, this nice beautiful lady here trying to record something with her phone and think. Nice. So yeah, make sure someone just subscribe to the channel. If let's say I could get everybody who are watching video if you subscribe.
Oh, man.
We've gone way past 1 million subscribers already. So please may I ask you, watch, subscribe to the channel, alright? We have millions of viewers. I need y'all to just subscribe to the channel, alright? Mad love. Continue watching World Trade Center. There. They call this building now One World.
Yeah,
One World.
what it called?
Yeah, that's what I
yeah,
keep saying. One
yeah,
World.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we're there. Stay tuned. Yeah, so we're gonna leave up here right now, but we can't leave without getting a souvenir. Right, so Lexi collect souvenirs, so we're gonna see if we can get a few souvenirs. Yeah, I don't know what is that, but
Just all the tree and number.
oh yeah.
One World Trade.
Alright, probably get this one. Yeah, probably get this one. And this one here.
Look like a different stuff in that.
Yeah, these are some different, more than one.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4 of them in there.
So that's good.
Yeah, we're gonna get this one. So. Yeah, we're getting some souvenir for Lexi and Tay up here, because there's no way you come this side and don't get a souvenir. You understand? Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna get this. Alright. So yeah.
I don't think so. We're not going to do it. It's a waste, you know why? Because we're always pulling them out of the bags and putting them back in the rack anyway.
Come around here.
Right? Makes sense?
Alright. These two.
1840.
1840. Cash.
Pass me the, yeah, because usually when you do it, what do? You just look it up, right? Sometimes now it's
All right.
yeah, it's silly.
Alright, can I get that back here?
They're called Malibu.
Alright. Thank you. That's it.
Malibu sunglasses, the first thing.
Yeah, so we're moving out. I'm like a package here and we're leaving.
We're going down now, right?
It's beautiful.
Let's go this way. See exit.
Oh, exit.
Oops, sorry. Oh, here, say. Yeah, you have to go in that bathroom then. Go now. Me say that, me not going there, but you can't go because me use it. Me say that them nice.
Now, bathroom?
Yeah, me,
Yeah, we can't video in there though.
no man, no, you just
Outside
go.
exit.
You,
This is the exit to go downstairs?
Number 5, please.
Huh?
Number 5.
Alright.
what is there another floor?
It's just the restaurant. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Where's the bathroom?
Bathroom's this way by the gift shop.
Okay.
Are you gonna use it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Come on, come.
So, yeah. This is where go back down. Alright, so we're gonna go with number 4. Yeah. Rocket. Alright, start right again. Yo! Falling. Listen, it's a falling number.
What? Yeah.
Thank you for visiting One World Observatory.
Who made this? Yo!
No. Oh, my ears, man. I don't,
Yeah, take a big
my ear
swig.
clog up.
Hello, unit number 5.
Was great.
Hello, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Man.
Bro, they make the animation feel just like
Yeah.
you were, you know, in it. I think massive that thing just let going. Some serious magnetic thing them use, you know.
That thing flies.
So nice. It's nice.
Whoa,
That was a rush though.
that was something. Oh, you say we want to go through here, so right?
Yeah, we exit here.
Around here, sir.
This is a
Good.
different place.
What the hell is this? You don't want to go outside again, though. See. No.
Woo. Where did this go?
Let's see. Let's see.
Massive, we now have no idea where this go.
Let's see, man. You don't want to go outside because we're.
Yeah, we can walk outside, but let's see where
Let's
this
see where this go first. All right.
Like, so, we know me that smell food.
Mm.
Yeah. Food looks good too. I don't know what is here.
One World Trade Center.
Oh yeah, sure. Some cafeterias and things. Oh, more like a restaurant.
That's the restaurant. And there's another. There's a big place out here. So I don't know what this is.
No idea where this place goes, but we are going to walk. It's massive. It's massive. Massive. Leicester, massive.
This place is huge. Yeah. This is big, man. I come in here before, but I get lost when I come in.
It seems like we did upstairs with the glass.
Yeah, you remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you
look
could
at
take.
this. Wow. It's great.
Yeah, big, yeah. Real big.
Big. Making it easy. Yeah. We're trying to find it too. I guess
Yeah,
straight. Yeah. Because when we were coming, we were looking from the street down here. Yeah.
I think it's up here though.
Here's a nice young man you probably could ask.
Well, we gotta go up at least another floor.
Yeah. Wow.
Right here.
These look at coffee shops.
I think we can go this way.
Yeah, but just a video a little bit.
Yeah, man. That's why.
This is definitely which part we did the up there, so
Yeah.
down.
Oh yeah.
So I see exactly what's down here.
But I know you're so in there now because remember we couldn't.
Yeah, I eat man.
Oh, up there.
Yeah, so,
Oh, way up there. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So cool. Excuse me, do you do this on Instagram? No?
I have an Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, can I give you a shout out? I just see you and I like what you're doing, you know? I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, maybe I could get you some followers or so.
Okay.
You know, so these look pretty real. They're live plants.
Everything is fresh and real, yes.
Ah, all right, fresh and real. They're so pretty. You would think that they're not real.
Thank you.
Trust me. So what's your Instagram? What's your Instagram account?
Big Flora.
Oh, that's it. So the Instagram is Big Flora on Instagram. So make sure you check her out. You can actually show your support to her. What if person wanted? Can they like buy it online if they want? I'm not sure.
We don't really do online, no.
Yeah.
We're an in-person store, but I mean,
Yeah.
you can always email and we can try to work it out for you.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Look at these. Beautiful. Oh my. Wonderful.
This is the good stuff in there. I want
Man,
that.
all these stuff are good stuff, man. Look at that. This is you?
No, that's a friend of mine. I keep her here for inspiration. She passed away.
Oh.
Sorry to hear that.
So sorry to hear that.
We used to say we were sisters, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys kind of look alike. Yeah, nice.
That
Red
young,
roses,
boy.
all kinds of stuff here. Fresh and nice. Beautiful. All right, so
Yes.
her Instagram, you can follow her, give her some support. It's Fig Flora. You can check her out on Instagram and follow her. Check it out.
Okay, thank
you
you.
have a card. All right, that's great. That's great. Look at these. Look at.
These are real?
Yeah, beautiful. I don't know what she used to grow these, but they're extremely beautiful and just green. Yeah, nice. Huh?
Look at my bouquet.
Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Nice. Love your work, all right?
Thank you so much.
Cool. So, one more time for the Instagram. Look, Big Flora on Instagram. All right.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right.
It's Jamaica Walk By.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, that is so
Place
cool.
nice and one.
Beautiful. Beautiful, bro. Yeah, beside her, because she not see you, know.
So what? Hey, we're going to
Just
this
show
way.
them a bit of the...
No, man, we're not in a hurry. Take your time.
Oh, that's how we go.
Yeah, I think
go.
we can go with any one of them.
So, me see even Pandora over there. Me see jewelry spot. Like, this is like a plaza of a bunch of things. Massive. A lot of viewing area up there too as well. Look at this. Yo, there's some guys working. Look at
Yeah,
Can't
yeah.
see them.
Wow.
Yo, look. Man. Massive place. We don't get anything to eat yet, but we're definitely gonna try and get something to eat on the outside. We don't know. But yeah. If you see that name here, you know, just know said it's expensive, you know.
Oh.
A boss over there. Yeah. All right, let's go.
You know how much you probably pay to get that little spot there?
That little spot, you probably pay a lot, don't it?
A whole
Just
lot
to
of
get
money.
that.
I don't see how they make money though.
Yeah.
How could she make? It's not
Oh,
like
she
it's
she
not-
probably make money.
I guess so. She must be making money because she's there.
Yeah.
But I don't see it
Yeah.
because
She probably make
that's
money.
one business I wouldn't want to go into because
And those are
they could
live
die,
plants.
you know. You
Yeah.
gotta keep them up, you know.
And I guess she know what she's doing.
I guess yeah.
So,
She know what to do, yeah.
to keep them alive. Yeah, massive, man. Tell us, say, yo, remember if you enjoy the video, if you love Wagwan, please, may I ask you right now to subscribe. Subscription is free. It is totally free. Don't cost you anything. To just subscribe so you can see more videos. Remember, we get millions of views, so That's all you can really do. Careful. Yeah. We'll get millions of views, so massive. If them millions are them hundreds thousands of persons who are watching videos, them could only subscribe. That would be super great. See more stores up here. Look at that. Yeah. Let me see what is around here. Oh, this looks like it's a makeup store and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're going
I
back.
think it's a pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Going back up.
Now walk.
Yeah.
So now we're going to Statue of Liberty.
Oh, we're going to start here at Liberty now.
And then we go there, from there we go to Chinatown and from Chinatown, 5th Avenue.
Man. Woo. That was a crazy one. Trust me. Oh.
You just put your hand there.
Stand over there.
Yeah.
Ah. Sophisticated. Woo. So massive. We were on top of that building right there. We were right up where the circle was. That's where we were. At the extreme top where that circle was, that's where we were. Look at it. Yep. Super great. Woo. That was awesome.
Yeah, go back down here so you won't go down to the statue now.
Yeah, we can go back to the just so that look on where
You want to look some more?
Oh, we can walk to
Statue of Liberty.
yeah, because we're just showing them around too. Because they might enjoy the trip with me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
From
Mad. It's a vibe. Yeah. Yeah.
Church.
Foreign massive. Look good now, man. John was the feeling. Enough time I dream some of this. Hey, let's have a time I dream some of the foreign.
Eh?
Yeah, I wake up in a vex, you know, brother. I look good now, man.
You there now, though?
Finally there, brother. A real foreign this. Let's start all the time I dream some of the. Take my picture. Let me take my picture, man. Let me make Lester take my picture. Hold on. Let me find the camera. Yeah, so take them in portrait, yeah?
In portrait?
Yeah. Come this side. Come on. Go on a road. Yeah, another one.
Yeah, man.
Look good now, man. Yeah. So see them, I take a picture of them. Yeah.
And you know what? You just.
Yeah, man, we delete them.
Yeah.
When the one I don't like, you see me? Go through. What you mean? Massive, you know, so you look like I want there with me. We take some picture. Look good now, man. Yeah. Ah, one day when we reach our next spot.
They have a place.
Yeah.
One big bowl. Yeah, it's a big bowl where a lot of people take pictures.
Yeah.
I hope it's not too
Nice.
crowded down. You know?
Massive, I'll be posting these pictures, see? Mad thing. Yeah. Real foreign. See the sign there, which part with there?
That one on the bus route.
Which one on the bus route?
Which bus driver is that? The 55.
55. Alright, we can cross. Yeah. Boy, Lester matters that this is,
Yeah.
yo, this amazing, brother. Hold them bossy. Do it, man. Yeah, do it, man. Doing a great job. I see you on your knees there. Yeah. You want me to get a picture of you too? Yeah, let me get a picture of you when you finish taking. That's your wife? She's a wife. All right, let you guys stay together. Yeah, let me take both of you guys picture. Yeah, you can go on the camera. Let me assist you a bit. I'm a YouTuber. I'm from Jamaica. Yeah. Very nice place. Yeah. Yeah. So stand beside her. Let me take both of you picture. Yeah. All right. Go stand with your wife. Nice. All right. Let me. That's one. Another one. All right. All right. Let me get a closer one. Nice. Let me go on my knees too. Let me go on my knees too. Nice. One more. No kiss? No kiss? Alright.
This
Bless
is
up. Yeah, it's a camera. Asthma pocket. It's a camera. Yeah, YouTube. YouTube.
Thank you very much.
Much
Have a
love.
good day.
Have a good day to you too. Yeah, much love. All right, take care. That was so nice.
So they have these little cemetery in the middle of
Yeah. That's a cemetery.
some old cemetery, probably from the 1700s. Something.
Let the dead rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can go.
You know what this little property would cost, man? Millions.
Yeah?
It's millions. This little salon here.
Yeah, man.
Millions.
And it look like persons can go over there and view
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
like,
it look like some kind of museum or something.
Yeah, it's like a museum,
Yeah.
yeah, for real. Wow, man. Beautiful farmer. Beautiful. And you do this every day. You probably be like, still amazed how
Yeah,
it
man.
looks now.
Oh, yeah.
And you've been here for how many years now?
In America, here?
Yeah.
48. 48 years.
48 years the man there.
40 years,
And
yeah.
still find it amusing. Like, no joke. Jaja, still find it to be amusing. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Wow. Love it.
We're going to jump on one bus.
And we'll jump on one bus.
If you come, you see, I think it'll come there. Let me see.
The upstairs bus there?
No, man.
Oh.
That bus, let me see if it'll come. Let me see.
Hey, bro. I see you on your phone. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube? Huh? All right, cool. Bless up, all right?
You probably don't know what you're saying now.
Yeah, I realize that
Yeah.
you don't understand
Yeah.
what me I say. Sometimes I say you have to just ask
Oh,
a
yeah.
random
You
person
probably
what
not
that-
even know what you say.
Yeah.
No English.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah.
This guy is living, man. He lives in Manhatten.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we can go.
The bus turn, I know. You said that.
Turn.
That's the bus we're going to take later to Chinatown.
Yeah. this is the real walk to, you know, man.
Yeah.
So you get it at night. Can we give them at night, you know, the night one nice to, you know, when it's
Yeah.
in the day.
See everything. You know?
Yeah, you can get to see everything. You know, let me ask this girl. Come, hold on, listen.
All right.
Hey, I'm a YouTuber. I'm just looking subscribers as I go. Do you mind subscribing to my channel? To Jamaica Walk By? All right, blessed love, all right? Cool. All right, that one. Yeah, she
What she
speaks
say?
English, but she said no. But that's fine.
Yeah.
You still got to keep
Ask.
going. Yeah, getting random persons on board. You might never know who you ask, and they say that, hey, I can help you to, you know, you might never know.
Yeah, you never know, man.
Yeah, so when I see random persons, I'm going to try offer white, Spanish, India, anybody with me brain tell me if it just ask. Ask.
This one like when you go to Brooklyn now or
Yeah, over there, so
for
the place is
Jamaica.
different.
Oh my God.
Jamaican straight. But
Before you leave, you're supposed to have over 90.
Me
You
I
think
hope
so? If you can't hit 90,
90 before me leave, though. There's a Pomeranian. Yeah. Cute. Nice dog.
wait up. We keep walking on it because we don't go too far, no?
Alright.
Pure building around that side, oh. Pure
Building, man, tell him, man. Look,
pure building.
look at that.
Yeah. When we first come over here now,
So
man.
them actually have a real bus lane.
Yeah.
See, them mark only
Yeah. But you know, people them park there sometimes. They're not supposed to, but
for
yeah, but it helps, and that helps a lot.
the other day. Some guy was walking and Tracy Chapman was driving in his Lamborghini.
Eh?
Yeah. One of mine buck up one of them guys.
You know what? I was driving the bus, man. You know who I ran into? Dave Chappelle.
Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Dave Chappelle, that one of my.
Yeah, I saw him and he was just, I say,
Rate him in one
and
of
I
my
meet him,
favorite,
I say, yo, and he say, yo, what's up? Yeah.
Dave Chappelle.
You never know what you're gonna see over this place.
Look at this building. Look at this. Which building is this? Let me see if I can tell. But it's mad tall. Wow. We're going across?
Yeah.
Which park is this?
There's some place that people eat and stuff, no?
Beautiful. Wow, beautiful.
Nice. You might put up Christmas light already.
Yeah, they might put up a Christmas light
Yeah.
early.
You know,
how it can go. So right here, so I realize I only got a little food spot down here, so. See? Whole lot of food spot. We say you don't eat from them.
No, sir.
What make?
Yeah. That's a very problem. If you say Jamaican spot, maybe no eat. But yeah, very problem. People nasty, man. Some of them, not all of them, but you don't know which one I clean.
You don't know which one I clean one?
Some of just know which one not.
Bills.
This is South Ferry we're going now, man. South Ferry.
Yeah.
When we first come here, I said I don't know how I'm going to find my way around here.
Is that so you say?
Yeah. Now after a few years, man,
Run up and down.
it's like nothing.
Buildings everywhere.
For me, a once-a-month treatment just works for my schedule. Don't take Keysympta if you have hepatitis B, and tell your doctor if you have had it, as it could come back. Keysympta can cause serious infections, including infections.
Trust me, bro. Beautiful, it's nice.
Hey, you see what that water was up there? $6.
$6 for the water.
And not even a good one, you know. $6.
$6.
How much Jamaican dollar is that? That's
$6.
616.
Brother.
About $900.
Alright, I'm going to tell you about 9 bills.
Almost 1,000 for one bottle of water.
Yeah.
Boy, if you can't go up there with the water and sell it.
They're not letting in with that.
Then I'll let you, man, you have to buy a spot. Man, you have to.
Jeez. Buy the spot.
Mango. Mango.
Yeah, brother.
Just got here, baby.
Yeah. Yo!
This guy up there's a cleaning the window.
Huh? What's that?
Right there, so look.
Oh, the window is so clean. That is like a crane.
Yeah.
Like there's a little bit of everybody you see.
Everybody.
Like a little bit of
Everybody that you're
Yeah.
everybody. You know, Jamaican, they're everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, you see Jamaican.
So we're heading right to the ferry station, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so yeah. So yeah, massive, trust me, it's been a great walk. I'm gonna close this right here and I'm gonna do the ferry, the Statue of Liberty,
Yeah.
in another video. So big up to everybody who stayed tuned and watched the video. Trust me, it's just crazy, just awesome. We're walking out here in Manhatten. You don't know Gala. You understand? Yeah, so far I'm in a book up and no Jamaican. I'm not here not talking if say Jamaican or not. Me I say white people, Spanish, all sorts of people like that. And think the place is so nice. And think it's cold to me. A lot of person might not second that, but it is cold for me, but we are tried through and we think so.
See big
Massive,
boy,
if you're not yet subscribed, please me I beg you. Let me just stop right here and just close the video here. So if you're not yet subscribed, please me I beg you subscribe to the channel. Subscription is completely free. So please me I beg you, like the video, drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 comment, and let's just do this, alright? It has been a great video and I'm telling you, like we have so much more to go. So stay tuned for the next video. We're outside. See? Mad love, mad respect. Remember again, subscribe. If we can get everybody who actually watch the video to subscribe, we'll be well on our way to 1 million subscribers. Alright? So thank you guys so much and we're outside. Let's do this. Stay tuned for the next video.